Today I was going to show how I bring my C41 chemistry up to the right temperature for development. So it's 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 68 degrees Celsius, and to try and maintain that throughout the development process I put my chemistry into a basin of hot water. Generally I bring the bottles up to the right temperature by putting boiling or near boiling water into the basin, and I find that if I just keep putting them back into the water back once I've taken them out of the tanks doing my development, it tends to keep them all up to the right temperature. So I mean they just sit in there and they work quite well. So I was doing that today, and I kind of was distracted while filling the basin, and I poured the kettle of boiling water directly over the bottle of chemicals, and I heard a crack noise and it broke. So there's a lesson. Don't do what I done, which was something really stupid. The bottle expands too quick in the boiling hot water. While it's brought up the temperature and gets the temperature, it's no problem at all dealing with the heat of the water bath. But I was a little bit too direct with it, and I've now lost my developer for the rest of the evening. It's no big deal. It was I had only a couple of rolls left to do, and it would have been pretty much expired at that stage anyway. So no big loss. But if you're doing it, maybe put a lump of metal, a spoon, a ladle, something. For somebody who makes a lot of hot whiskies in glass, it was a very stupid mistake for me to make. So let's all try and learn a little something here today, guys. Ah, science.